Good evening all. As I told in last video, we'll start with the estimation, tender or quotation. So this is a very simple question. We'll start with this today. Okay. So they have given direct materials, direct wages, direct expenses, factory overheads, administration, selling and distribution overheads. They have given the sale amount also, which is 50,000. What they have asked us to prepare? They asked us to prepare the estimation statement. So whenever they ask us to prepare the estimation or quotation, remember, we have to prepare cost sheet first, then the additional thing. Is there any increase or decrease? According to that, we have to make the changes and then we'll prepare the estimation or quotation. So for estimation, they have given the like direct material 16, direct wages 20, chargeable or direct expenses are 4,000. And factory overheads are as percentage to direct wages. We will see how to calculate the percentage. Administration and selling distribution overhead are percentage to your factory cost. Once you calculate the factory cost, considering that, you have to prepare the or consider the administration and selling distribution overheads. Okay, so we'll go to the calculations first. You can see, right? Percentage to factory overhead to direct wages. How to calculate it? They have given the direct wages and factory overheads. Direct wages is 6,000. Factory overheads are again 6,000. So factory overheads divided by your direct wages into 100, you will actually get the percentage. Here both are 6,000, 6,000. So you're getting 100%. It means whenever the direct wages changes, in the same proportion, your factory overheads also changes. If consider in next here direct wages are 20,000. So it means your factory overhead is also 20,000. 100%. It influence 100% on factory overhead. Second one is percentage of administration overhead to work cost. Work cost we will calculate, then you'll come to know. Okay. In question, they have given direct materials, direct wages, and direct expenses. Right? So we have considered the same direct materials, direct wages, and direct expenses or chargeable expenses. Once we add this, we'll get the prime cost. Factory cost, they have given directly, which is 6,000. So add factory cost, you will get work cost or factory cost. Okay, this is add factory overhead. Once you add the factory overhead, you will get the work cost or your factory cost. So it is 26,000. To this, what you have to do, you have to add administration and office overhead. Administration overhead is also given as 8,000. So add 8,000. You will get the cost of production, which is 34,000. Next is selling and distribution overhead. 6,000 they have given. 6,000. Add cost of production plus your selling and distribution overhead. You will get total cost or cost of sales or cost of goods sold. Okay, so you'll get that total. Here it's 40,000. To this, now they have given 50,000 as sales amount. So 50,000, we know the formula to calculate profit. Sales minus cost, you will get your profit. So here also we have done the same thing. 50,000 is sales minus 40,000, we'll get your profit as 10,000. So this is just a cost sheet preparation, right? Now they asked us to prepare the estimation considering these like amount and some of the percentages. We have seen, right? Percentage calculations we have seen here. So yes, this one is done. Now, administration overhead we have to calculate. So here, factory overhead is percent of direct wages, which we have seen, and here, the first working note. Second one is administration and selling and distribution overhead are as percentage of factory cost. So here, factory cost is 26,000. How much is administration? It is 8,000. So they told percentage of administration overhead to work cost. So 8,000 divided by 26,000 into 100, you will get 30%, 30.77%. Okay, similar way for this one also. Cost of sales or total cost also, what they have given, we have to consider the factory cost only, right? For this one. For the selling and distribution overhead also, we have to consider the factory cost, which is 26,000. So 6,000 divided by 26,000 into 100, you will get 23.07% as a selling and distribution overhead. Next, percentage. Okay. So percentage calculation is, see, profit divided by your total cost. So that is 10,000 divided by 40,000 into 100, you will get the percentage, profit percentage on your cost. Okay. Now we know the adjustments, right? How to, what are the percentage? On what base we have to calculate our administration, our selling and distribution profit, as well as factory overhead. We know the basic things. Now we have to prepare the estimation. See, estimation for direct material, direct wages, direct expenses or chargeable expenses they have given. So no need to worry. Just put the amount and calculate the prime cost. 16,000, 20,000 and 40,000. Sorry, it is 4,000 actually. So you'll get the amount as 40,000. 40,000 is your prime cost. I'll show you. Yes, it is 4,000. Just make it correct. It is 4,000, not 40,000. So prime cost is 40,000. Once you add these three, prime cost is 40,000. Factory overhead is 100%. The calculation part, this one. 100% on your wages. Wages here is 20,000. So 100% on wages means it is again 20,000 only. 50% means 20,000 into 50%, it will be 10,000. So here it is 100%. So as it is 20,000. Add factory overhead, you will get the work cost, which is prime plus factory cost, factory overhead. You will get the work cost, 60,000. Add administration, office and administration overhead. We have calculated the percentage, 30.77 on work cost. Work cost is 60,000 here. On work cost, we have to calculate, we have to consider 30.77%, which is 18,462. Once you add work cost plus your office, you will get your cost of production. The next one is selling. It is 23.07% again on your work cost. So 23.07 into 60,000, you will get 13,842. Add cost of production plus your selling and distribution, you will get your cost of goods sold or total cost or cost of sales. And next one is profit. Profit, they told that we have to consider the same profit percentage. So profit percentage in the last year is 25%. So same percentage, same 25% on cost, total cost. So 25 into 92,304, you will get 23,076 rupees. Add your cost of sales, cost of goods sold, and your profit, you will get your estimated sales, estimated selling price. I hope you understood.